Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnIT. Today we will be having another session for use case scenario for requirement fulfillment, which we use in our day-to-day development activities. So if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT. Please watch my videos till the end for complete information. So we will talk about a use case. So what use case I have to cover today? So the use case is script to add users to group. I have 5 different users and 5 different groups. I have to insert all 5 users in all 5 groups in ServiceNow using scripts. Alright, so let's proceed further in our personal developer instance and see how we can implement this use case. Alright, so let's proceed to our personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance and you can see this is my instance which is open already. So let's move further and see how we can implement this thing. So first suppose I will write background scripts. So this is my background script. First I will try to generate a template for our script, then we will see how we can add all 5 users in all 5 different groups. So first let's see whether we are having some users or groups. So you can see we have 5 users, user 1 2 3 4 5, and we have 5 groups, and as of now there is no any data inside these groups. See, group member is 0, here also, here also, here also, here also. So we will write our script and execute this thing. Alright, so let me try to open a group membership table as well. Sys user grMember. So now this is the table, group membership table. So I don't have any records where group and users is having any relationship. Alright, so now let's try to create our script template and then we will pass our actual SysId on those script and then see whether it is working or not. Alright, so let's try to create 2 arrays, one user array and another is group array. So let me try to create users array first. So now what I will add here, user 1 SysId. User 2 SysId. Similarly I will add, so this is 2 3 4 5. So these are the 5 users SysId. And similarly what I will do is like instead of user I will write group. these are 5 group sysids. Alright, so these are the 2 arrays which is defined, and now I will try to see how further we can execute. So what we need to do is, like, we need to add users on each group. So first we how the things will happen on backend. So it will take first group and then add all 5 users. So similarly we have to iterate the groups, and inside iteration of groups we need to add the users on those iterations. So what I will do is, like, I will try to write a for loop where I is less than groups.length, groups dot and I will do the increment. So this will run 0 to 4, so that's why it is written I is less than groups.length. So length will be 4 from 0 to 4. So now this is the for loop. Now I will write again one for loop where it will be executing for users. J is less than users.length. Where group similarly I will do for user. And now I will do grMember GlideRecord and I will select the table name sysuser grMember. So this is the table name. Initialize now dot group equal to user equal to userSysId, where the array is stored. And now what we will do, we will insert it. Alright, so this is the script which will work, and suppose let me write one of the info. Let me print the message if it is done or not. Here I will add SysId. To group and then groupSysId. So this is the script template which I have created. Now it will not work because what I have defined, you will see these are the userSysId which is defined, and you can take userSysId using GlideRecord or anything how you want to fetch. Here I will put the sysids manually, and then whenever real requirement comes, like you have to get a user array from complete user list and complete group list, then you can use that way also. But I have taken the simple scenario to add 5 users to 5 different groups using our scripts. Alright, so now let's proceed further and copy our sysids of 5 users and 5 groups. So now I will copy the user one sysid. I will copy here, copy sysid, copy sysid for user 3, user 5. Similarly, I will do for all the groups. And this is the last. And let me try to first show group members record. How much members record are there? There are only 88 record, right? Now I have to add 5 users to 5 different groups. That means 25 records should be created on top of this 88. Alright, so let's try to execute our script and then see whether it is executing correctly or not. So you can see there are the insert count, sysUR member, there is 25 row count added. So you can see user is added, right? So now let me try to reload our group membership table, and you can see those 25 records being added here. And if we try to open all those groups, so all those groups will be having all 5 users. See, these are the users, again group members, again group members, similar here, similar here. And now why it is showing as empty? Because username is not set, only user ID is set to those users. Alright, so that's why it is not showing the user name there. So suppose I will provide this is user 5, this is user 4, this is user 3, this is user 2, this is user 1. And now again I will just reload the form, and you will see the user 1 2 3 4 5 here. Because the name was not provided, that's why it was not showing, but user ID is there. So you can see all 5 users added to this particular all 5 groups. So this was the use case which I wanted to showcase you. Alright, so this is really good use case. This can be asked on interview also. So this requirement is really from the ServiceNow scripting interview questions where high level interview is taken. So this was the use case which was asked to implement on personal developer instance. So this is the solution for that kind of requirement. If someone asks you in any interview, or you have to implement on your project requirement, right? So this is quite cool script which you can utilize for your group membership utilization. All right, so you can utilize this script under your catalog item as well, where users might be added to certain groups while raising a service catalog items. All right, so we do have multiple use cases for utilizing this script. So I have utilized as part of background script right now. So you can utilize it as part of your workflow or business rule, or inside catalog item flow where you can utilize it. All right, so yeah, this is really the good use case and definitely will be used in multiple projects. Please provide your comments if you have any questions, doubts or queries related to this session. For more information, please visit the description section under this video. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.